Welcome to this deep dive into the new agent mode in OpenAI's ChatGPT. On July 17, 2025, OpenAI announced a transformative capability that bridges the gap between research and action. Agent Mode unifies and expands the functions previously known as Deep Research and Operator, giving ChatGPT a virtual computer and an array of tools so that it can not only answer questions, but also complete complex tasks for you. We'll explore what this means, how it works, and why it matters. This capability is currently available to paying users, Pro, Plus, and Team plans, with Enterprise access rolling out soon. At the heart of Agent Mode is a versatile toolkit. ChatGPT now has both a visual browser and a lightweight text browser, enabling it to navigate web pages like a person or quickly scrape information depending on the task. It operates inside its own virtual computer, complete with a terminal for running code or manipulating files. Connector integrations let it access services like Gmail, Google Drive, and GitHub after you approve them. With these tools combined, the agent can open websites, click buttons, run scripts, analyze data, and write documents within a single environment. Unlike earlier chatbots that simply generate text, Agent Mode is designed to execute entire workflows. It can perform multi-step processes that start with research and end with a deliverable. For example, it can browse sources, compile data, and generate a spreadsheet, or synthesize research into a slide deck and send it by email. This ability to act autonomously turns ChatGPT into a personal assistant that can handle tasks from start to finish instead of just giving suggestions. Businesses and professionals stand to gain significant advantages. Agents can automate market research, competitor analysis, and strategic planning by combining web data, analytics, and report generation into a unified workflow. For administrative tasks, the agent can coordinate schedules, manage email through connectors, and prepare documents while you retain oversight. It can also process large data sets, build financial models, and maintain spreadsheets. By integrating browsing, coding, API access, and file manipulation, the agent reduces the need to switch between tools and improves productivity. Even everyday activities benefit. Because the agent can browse websites, compare products, and fill out forms, it can plan a family vacation, find the best back-to-school deals, or build a meal plan with a grocery list. During a recent demonstration, the agent ordered wedding dresses and designed promotional materials while maintaining a natural conversation and asking for permission at each step. These examples show that Agent Mode is more than a novelty. It's a practical assistant for personal and professional life. How does it manage such complex tasks? Underlying AI combines advanced reasoning models with reinforcement learning to decide which tool to use and in what sequence. The agent keeps context across long workflows using chain-of-thought reasoning to break down requests into manageable steps and adapt when unexpected challenges arise. If you ask it to organize a team meeting, it can access your calendar, check attendee availability, send invitations, and prepare the agenda based on past notes. This orchestration transforms ChatGPT from a reactive assistant into a proactive digital colleague. OpenAI has built several safety features into Agent Mode. The system prompts for confirmation before it takes consequential actions like purchasing items or sending emails, and enables a watch mode for sensitive tasks. You can take over control at any time, particularly when entering passwords or other personal data. Best practices include giving complete instructions with all relevant context, collaborating with the agent by providing feedback, and remaining vigilant against prompt injection attacks. Remember to protect sensitive information and disable connectors when they're not needed. Agent Mode is available today for ChatGPT Pro, Plus, and Team subscribers with enterprise support on the way. It signals a shift toward AI systems that not only generate content but also act to achieve goals. By blending web browsing, code execution, API integration, and user guidance into one coherent workflow, the agent can save time, improve decision-making, and open new possibilities for creative and professional work. With proper oversight and responsible usage, this technology could change how we interact with digital tools. Thank you for watching, and stay tuned as AI continues to evolve.